Hey there and welcome back to the channel. My name is Janosch, and in this video I want to show you the new features that have become available to the users on the Todoist free plan, which are a lot of features that are actually previously reserved for the premium users, but now they've become available for free users as well. And if you've recently logged into your Todoist account, you might have already seen these changes happen. So let's check them out together. So I'm here on the Todoist website, and this is a good overview of all the new features that will be added to your Todoist free account. First of all, you will get much more tasks per project. So you can now have up to 300 tasks per project, which if you do that, then you're some kind of weirdo because who has 300 tasks in a single project? But if you want to, you can do that now, which is quite nice. Another feature that is actually really nice, which was previously reserved to Todoist premium users, is that you can now have comments on your tasks, and you can also upload files to your tasks. So this is extremely useful if you work in a team and you want to provide some additional information about the task that you have written or that you have added to your team's to-do list. And so you can add a PDF or add a file, write some comments for it. So that's really nice, and you have up to 5 megabytes of space per upload. Next, we have labels and filters, which were also previously reserved to the Todoist premium users, and they can allow you to really easily organize your tasks into different chunks or different buckets. Now, I personally don't use them. I am on the premium plan, but I still don't use them. But maybe in your productivity system, this is actually something that might be relevant. For example, if you have lots and lots of tasks and lots and lots of different calls to make, and you really need to make sure that you work on whatever is most important right now, because you just have such a huge variety of tasks that you could actually work on. Now, what's probably the biggest change for me, and the one that I think is the most valuable to you as a Todoist free user, is the ability to now have your calendar synced with Todoist, which is something that I do all the time. It's one of my most favorite features, and it actually helps you out so much because it allows you to sync your Google Calendar or your Outlook calendar, whatever calendar you use, to your Todoist tasks, so you can actually see the calendar events inside of your Todoist account, and also you can see your Todoist tasks. If they have a due date, they will appear inside of your calendar. And to even add on that, you can also use other integrations like the Alexa integrations if you want to do that, and some of the other plentiful integrations that Todoist has, if that sounds interesting to you. And another really nice feature is actually the ability to use templates, because templates allow you to really easily set up new projects inside of Todoist. So let's say, for example, that you do something like you do web design, or you do some kind of project-based or client-based business, and then you obviously have these projects which are usually kind of the same. For example, a web design project, you have the onboarding, then you have some brainstorming and thinking about the website. You have the design process, maybe the development process. And you can really create a project template out of that, and then re-import that for every single new project that you make. So that's something that I would highly recommend that you check out if you haven't used that before. Now, there is one downside to this upgrade or this change in the Todoist free plan, which is that you now only have access to 5 different projects in your Todoist free account. And this counts in sub-projects as well. So if you have one big project and then you have 4 sub-projects for that, that's 5 as well. And this might obviously be something that you don't like, and that's bad news. And I get that, but the thing is, I think that the all the new features that you get in the free plan, they really make up for the lack in projects that you can create. And also, what's really important is, I think if we go down here, if you actually have more projects than these 5 projects, when this update is happening, then you will obviously keep your projects, and none of your projects will actually be lost. And you also will be able to further use these projects. You just won't be able to add new projects until you have less than 5 again. So this is maybe something that you want to look out for. But again, I think all the new features actually make up for this big time. So I think all in all, it's a big win for the Todoist free users. And if you still feel that like you're limited in your ability to use Todoist, then I would just recommend that you upgrade to Todoist Premium, which I think like costs $3 a month. So it's really affordable, and it's really worth it, because Todoist is just a really amazing tool that I personally use every day from the beginning of the day until my workday is over. One last thing that I want to say is that if you're not seeing these changes now, then it's because these changes are being rolled out gradually to all users. So you might not have been updated or upgraded to this new version of the Todoist free plan yet, but just wait a couple of days or weeks, and then your account will also reflect the new updates. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.